Good morning and welcome to Bangkok here. Just got a coffee with extra shots. So I got 2 coffees here, but I'm gonna have a bit of a local lunch. I'm a foodie after all, and I see they sell a lot of fantastic local food here. And if you continue watching later today, I'm gonna go to kind of an evening market or a night street, have some nice snacks, a lot of food. Just take a look at this crazy mountain here of shrimp. Yeah, okay, time to dig in. So you can really crispy and juicy eat the whole thing. It's looking crazy good. Okay, time to dig in. Let's try it. Got a lot of fantastic pork here. Ooh, nice. Look at this good stuff. You have the pork and you have the rice and the veggies. Let's try it. That is amazing. You have the chili, the basil, garlic. Insanely good. Just a quick thing I want to share with you, so now I'm going to sit down and eat a bit. Oh, here we have some nice eggs being boiled. That is looking amazing. And we have some crazy nice crispy pork. Gonna try that as well. Just love when they're cooking in the background here. You can see it live here, putting in the oil, all the ingredients. Hello! Yeah, fantastic. Just love being in the streets here in Thailand. So much good stuff you can see in the background here. It's like fish, pork, beef, cooking. It smells amazing. And sit down soon and enjoy. The best part is walking around, see what you find, and grab you something fantastic to eat. Here we have the beef being cooked. That is looking fantastic. Oh, that is looking completely amazing. Thank you. Ooh, we got the egg as well. Crazy nice. Fantastic. I think I'm gonna go a bit crazy and also add a bit of the pork here. It looks crazy good. Cutting up the pork here. That's looking crazy good. Thank you. Fantastic. Okay, so we got this fantastic, insanely good looking meal here. You have the beef and you have the crispy pork on the side, and you have egg and a bit of a rice. Some carbs, but not too many. Just gonna dig in there and enjoy. It's looking totally fantastic. Let's try the beef first. Beef and a little bit of rice. That is a fantastic combo. Let's try. Got the spices from the chili, a little bit of the mint, I think, or basil. Nice. Let's try a bit of the crispy pork. Let's try a bit of the crispy pork. It's definitely not the healthiest, but definitely tasty. Let's try it. Wow, that is crunchy. Hear that? So much fat, deep fried. Definitely not healthy, but yeah. I didn't have any breakfast. I was out for a 6-kilometer run this morning, and I walk after this, so no problem. Just gonna enjoy a little bit more of this fantastic. Then for some great nutrition, we also have a whole egg here with the yolk. Amazing. Never disappoints. And a lot of protein here in the egg white as well. Yeah, I'm just gonna continue to enjoy this fantastic meal. See you a little bit later. Okay, so welcome to evening here in Bangkok and sunset here. Been inside working for a bit now, but now it's time to meet up actually some Swedish friends here for a bit of a drink and maybe some food. But then I'm definitely going to go and check out the evening snack street. But really it's just so nice with all the lights coming out here. There's a lot of stuff going on in the street. That is for sure. It's going to be a pretty fun night, I think. So yeah, we'll see what I find along the way and then see you there. So I just walked all the way here. It's like 2.5 kilometers. The restaurant we're going to meet up now is called Admirals at 24. Yeah, I'm not here to eat Scandinavian food, so we'll save some space, but we'll meet up some friends. That's going to be fun. Then continue exploring, save some space for amazing Thai food. That's why I'm in Thailand. So that was very interesting, meeting up some people. I even had some Swedish or like Scandinavian food there with some rye bread and even meatballs and some sandwiches. But yeah, I'm in Thailand, so I skipped that. Save me some space, just walking here. Super nice in the background. See if I can find a tuk-tuk or something and get to these street markets. I'm definitely hungry. It's like 9:30 now. But so nice. Just walk outside in the warm streets. We'll see if I find some way to get there. There's a lot of taxis everywhere here, but I find a tuk-tuk. Let's see if I can get in. Space? Here we found a tuk-tuk. George Fares. Fantastic. So we get the local experience here with the tuk-tuk in the streets of Bangkok. Yeah, I always love to explore the local stuff, local transportation, local food and local culture. That's why you travel. I realized I'm passing by a bridge here. I was actually running this morning when I did my 6-kilometer run here. Pretty cool. Yeah, you can see all the skyscrapers in the background here. But of course, you gotta be careful. It's a small world. I was just running here in the morning, recognize it, but soon we're there. Okay, so finally we got here. I got actually 2 places recommended to me. Jod Fair, which is where we are right now, and also Mixed Markets. Maybe I'll walk there after. But let's try and see what we can find here first. Here we have some interesting insects. Yeah, that actually reminds me of China. I'm not gonna have those insects. I've had enough of that. But here we have some skewers. That's also Chinese, actually. Now I want some Thai stuff. Here we have a lot of music going on in the background. We also have some interesting crab fried rice here. Hello, and a lot of intense music going on. And here we have some snacks. Let's try what they have. Okay, some nice shrimp here. Gonna try this one. Let's go for the shrimp. Wow, so we got the shrimp here. That is looking crazy. Just take a look at this crazy mountain here of shrimp. You even have a big like towel paper roll here to make sure we don't get too dirty. And also we have some gloves here. Gonna put one on and let's dig in. Yeah, okay, time to dig in. Gonna grab one piece here of shrimp so it can really crispy and juicy. You can dip it a bit in the sauce here. Eat the whole thing. It's looking crazy good. There is a lot of good garlic and chili. Wow, amazing. Some more dipping here. Eat the whole head here. Ruining the whole beauty here, but yeah, have a big chili piece here. Let's try it. I like spicy food. We'll see if I'm gonna like this. Dip a little bit. I love sauce. This is just totally incredible. Let's have a bite. I just love spicy food. A lot of good chili here. That is certainly for sure. Then you have kind of almost like a whole bed of great veggies here on the bottom here. A lot of good stuff. Some nice nutrition. And you can dip it here too. Totally crazy. Yes, I know. We have the gloves. Messy but good. Yeah, I'm gonna take my time, enjoy this and finish this. Then we're gonna continue walking, see what we can find next. So see you on the way there. So after that very spicy meal with all these chilies, time to move on to the Mixed Markets. Is that way. It's actually the same way I came from earlier, and also I was running this morning. It's only like 10 minutes walk. Gonna cross over this bridge here. Hopefully find some more street food. You gotta be careful when you're walking here. A lot of action going on, so see you at that market. We started to stop on the way here. We see a Japanese place with some Swedish flag here in the background. Very international. A lot more international cuisine everywhere compared to what I'm used to in Beijing. There's a lot of cool spots everywhere here. A lot of high rises. Yeah, Bangkok definitely is very nice so far. And we're just crossing over the train tracks here. You gotta be careful, but I think we've spotted the market here. Mixed Market looks to be that way. And actually I realized I came with a taxi here yesterday when I was driving past here. We have like tuk-tuks and stuff everywhere. Really amazing. Just walk around there. It's like perfect temperature, like 25, 26. Gonna go in here and see what kind of fantastic food we find there. Seems to be a little bit empty here, but I realized I think I've actually been here before as well. Actually, last time I was here in Bangkok. Super nice. You can just walk around this whole area here. You have like food everywhere. I think it's kind of closing a bit soon. It's not that late actually. It's 10:35. I think it closes at 12. But I'm gonna see. Maybe we can even find some mango sticky rice. That would have been nice. I guess no mango sticky rice for tonight, but they have some other fantastic Thai dishes. I'm gonna have some pork now, rice and an egg. So a bit similar I think to lunch, but I tried beef for lunch and I also had chicken yesterday, so let's try the pork. Fantastic, so we got the food here, it's ready and it's smelling incredible here. They're cooking a lot of good stuff in the background. Let's try it. Thank you, fantastic. Now time for the best part. Let's go and eat it and enjoy this with this amazing atmosphere in the background. Really cool place. Okay, time to dig in. We'll listen to this fantastic music in the background. Let's try it. Got a lot of fantastic pork here. Ooh, nice. Look at this good stuff. You have the pork and you have the rice and the veggies. Let's try it. That is amazing. You have the chili, the basil, garlic. Insanely good. Let's have another scoop here. That's a mountain of amazing stuff. Let's try. So good. Now we have another whole egg here, Alarm Nutrition. Normally eat a lot more eggs, but not today. But gotta get the nutrition in, so let's have it. Have the good yolk here, a lot of nutrition, amazing way to end the evening. And we even got a bit of a bonus with some sausage this year. And let's see what it tastes like. Wow, I'm very sweaty. Really nice. Yeah, I'm gonna take my time, enjoy the last meal here, listen a bit of the music, and then we'll see you a bit later. Yeah, that was amazing. Meal done. Let's move on. Okay, so now we're almost back to the hotel. It's actually been a very active day. Got in 22,000 steps actually, so burning those calories off. Very nice dinner. No skewers and no mango sticky rice, but not too bad. I'm pretty happy with the day, that is for sure. So I'm gonna continue exploring tomorrow, but just now go back, take a bit of a rest. So if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.